In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI Assistant from X. By the end, you'll feel confident opening Grok, starting a conversation, and getting helpful answers right inside the X app or website. First, make sure you're on the home screen of X. If you're on desktop, open x.com and you'll land on your main feed. On mobile, open the X app and ensure you're on the home tab so you see your timeline. Being on home isn't about doing anything special, it's simply the most direct place to access everything else, including Grok. Take a moment to look around your navigation. This is where the Grok entry point usually appears. Next, click or tap on Grok. On desktop, you'll typically find Grok in the left-hand sidebar among other options. On mobile, it may appear in the main navigation or within the side menu depending on your app version. When you select it, Grok opens in a dedicated chat-like view. If you don't see Grok where you expect, try updating the app or checking back later, as availability can vary by region or account. Once it's visible, a single click or tap takes you right into the assistant. Now you're in the chat window with a text box at the bottom. This is where the fun begins. Type in your question or prompt to use it. You can ask for quick facts, summaries, ideas, or step-by-step guidance. The clearer your request, the better the response. For example, instead of saying explain, try explain the differences between two options in a few sentences. If you have context like a goal, a time frame, or a preferred format, include that in your message. Press enter or tap send and Grok will generate a reply. Don't be afraid to follow up. If the answer isn't quite right, refine your request by adding details or asking for an alternative angle. You can ask Grok to make something shorter or more detailed, to simplify complex language, or to give practical examples. Keep your prompts concise but informative, and avoid sharing personal or sensitive information in your messages. That's it. Start at home on X, open Grok, and type your question. With a clear prompt and a bit of follow-up, you'll get focused, useful answers fast. Feel free to return to Grok anytime from the same place to continue a conversation or start a new one. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what Grok can help you accomplish.